Welcome to liddup.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to log in with Spotify, and this account needs to be a premium account since we actually want to be able to play back songs. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a room.
And you can set the name for your room. You have toggles such as explicit songs and repeats. You can also set the song limit per user.
Now that the room has been created, we generated an automatic code for it. And currently there's only one person in the room and they haven't used up any songs that are in their limit.
You can change all these settings in the settings portion.
And now we're going to join in from a different account using this code 66C4. And this new account does not need to be a premium account since they're not actually in charge of doing the playback. So if I do a fake code, it won't work. But if I do the real code, which is 66C4, it should let me join the room.
You can now see that there's 2 people in the room and 0 of the 22 songs that are being used.
So the first thing we're going to do is look for songs. And you can add as many songs until you hit your 22 limit.
You can see the number here goes up.
You can also star any of these songs. And the difference between the 2 icons, the stars will show up in your favorites, and this will persist across uses. Whereas the pluses show up in the song queue. And what you can do next is you can heart a song, and that'll move a song up the queue. So as you can see, I hearted the song right now from this account, so the current upvote count is 1. And now if we go in the other room, it's already at a 1, and if I heart it again, it'll change to 2, and if I heart something up, it'll be in descending order. And I can also play the song. And the way that these buttons work, if more than 50% of the room click them, you can either vote to repeat the song or vote to skip. So if I click once from here and once from here, it changed the song. And the same thing applies for the other user. And you can also go to your playlist and add songs that way, and no matter what page you plus or star or heart from, it should propagate across all uses. And you can also leave the room whenever you want and come back to it.
The stars will persist through, because that's where we use our database essentially. So your favorites will stay from account to account.
I can also unstar from here or anywhere that we want. And that is our app.